All right, g'day everybody. It's about noon on first trading day of the year. This morning I wrote that I needed a 6,000 print in the S&Ps for higher and a 21,500 print in the NASDAQ, which missed it by 10 points, and then everything weakened. Right now, you know, we've come all the way back down the other way with ORL days in the S&Ps. The spread is really weak. That's why I said this morning that the spread was not confirming higher numbers in the S&Ps nor the NASDAQ. You can see here, eventually I'm looking for the 5820s, somewhere down in there, 20 to just closer to 20, which that red line is the election day high of the indices. That's where the Trump rally started from, and that's where I believe we're going to retest. We never got a confirmation higher on this point and figure in the NASDAQ. Gold, last week, or early, sorry, it seems like last week, on Monday and Tuesday, told everybody to buy them at 26.17. That was a low risk place, and now it's at the next big macro level, and this is an exit zone. And until we start getting over this level, probably another $5 to $10, I'm not interested in getting too excited about it, because I'm looking at let's see if I can bring that chart up. All right, hold on. I'm looking at gold and yuan, which I don't think has a hell of a lot farther to go. Gold and euros, you know, is getting a little overdone up here, and this is going to have a hard time following through. And the same thing, gold and bonds right now is trading at the election high. So I don't want to chase anything. The feature's been short NASDAQ, long Russell, short S&Ps, long Russell. And that spread you know, we got to see what it wants to do. So it's going to be late day today whether we see any buyers coming back into the market or not. The bonds, I don't want anything to do with the long side of the bonds. I think it's a back and forth trade, and you know, I'm not excited about it. And I think it's more of a function of, you know, the risk spreads than anything else. So short NASDAQ, long bonds is coming into its balance line, and but the S&P bonds are nowhere close to anything. So you have to decide what you want to trade. And here's the Russell bonds. That's still negative. So, you know, this is going to be a trade. And tomorrow, if they don't elect Johnson as speaker, I think you get another downside whoosh. And don't lose sight of the fact that the S&Ps are 134 points lower on the week. They're lower on the month, lower on the year, and so is the NASDAQ all the way across the board. So this gets back to what I was talking about earlier in the week. At the beginning of the year, I thought it was going to be a big back and forth trade. And if you want to come and join us, I put up you know, my contact information